Dark Cuba. You're ungrounded forever.
Yay! You can do whatever you want now.
Yes. We unground Dark Cuba.
I agree, Doc. Fatal Rodimus bird area. That was very awesome.
Look, Dad. Dark Fatal Rodimus bird error and amazing flying army hammer bro as in ground me.
Oh my freaking gosh. Dark Fatal Rodimus bird errant amazing flying army hammer bro. How dare you unground my son Dark Cuba. You know that he's been a bad boy. And he should get grounded for doing all the bad stuff he did last year. That's it. I'm calling both of your parents. Go home right now. And as for you Dark Cuba. You are grounded for 16 days. Go inside the house and then go to your room right now.
Dark Fatal Rodimus bird error. How dare you unground Dark Cuba? You know that he's been a bad boy. And he should get grounded for all the bad stuff he did last year. That's it. You are grounded for 10 days.
Go upstairs to your room right now. And don't ever unground Dark Cuba ever again.
What?
Amazing flying army hammer bro. How dare you unground Dark Cuba? You know that he's been a bad boy for doing all the bad stuff last year. That's it. You are grounded for 20 days.
Go to your room right freaking now. And do not ever unground Dark Cuba ever again.
Why?